Hi friends, welcome to Nestila's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty prawn fry. For that I took 500 grams of deveined and cleaned prawns. Now let's start the process. I have taken 3 big onions, 3 green chilies, 15 pods of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. Grind them into a fine paste by adding them into a mixer jar and keep this paste aside. Next, we are going to boil the prawns that we took. See, take little amount of water, add salt and turmeric powder and boil these prawns. Take very little amount and do not overboil them. Now, heat some oil in a pan, let it sizzle. Once hot, add this vibrant paste and let it cook till the raw aroma fades away. See, you can keep the lid and cook it. See, now we can see the oil getting separated. It indicates that the moisture content has reduced and the ingredients have cooked thoroughly. Now add 1 small spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder and half spoon zira powder and let these masalas coat into the paste thoroughly. See, if you keep mixing it, it will coat thoroughly. Now add in the prawns that you have boiled and kept. Please remember, while boiling the prawns, you must not overboil them or overcook them. Their tenderness is what makes the dish exceptional. See, give it a good mix and let the prawns soak up the essence of the spices. So when you keep stirring it, the prawns must be coated well with the spices that you have added and fried until now. See, we are almost done. The prawns have nicely taken up the spices. Now we have to add 1 glass of water and let the prawns get cooked along with the masalas. See, I've just taken 1 glass of water and I'm giving it a good mix. You can keep the lid and cook the prawns. See, adjust your flame to medium. Keep cooking it until you see this texture. It took around 5 to 7 minutes for me. Now add a little garam masala and sprinkle in some chopped coriander leaves. Now your dish is almost ready. This dish goes great with rice, chapati, puri and pulao or whatnot. You can just have it like a snack as well. See, now garnish it with cashew nuts and transfer it into the serving bowl. Hope you liked the recipe. Try it for sure, and if you like the recipe, share it with your friends and family members. Today's word, journey of 1,000 miles, would always start with a single step. If you have liked the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such kind of videos. Bye everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead.